How to make style changes in Ecwid. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you guys can make style changes in Ecwid. So firstly, if I were to go into my website settings, well then it's going to take me over here to the website settings, and now from over here we can basically see our website completely. And now from over here, I can just simply click on the left side on the headline and cover image. And then from over here, we can choose the cover layout to be left sidebar, half screen, full screen, or whatever else. We can also change up the typography from over here. From over here too. And then we also have other options to add in a background as well, and we can also move around the top menu as well. We can show or hide different locations, and all in all there are just many options over here. Now coming back over here, now from over here we can also add in customer testimonials as well. We can also change the product card details and layout as well. So over here, if I were to go into my website, if I were to click on view website, it's going to take me over to my website. Now as soon as my website loads up, I will tell you how we can basically make changes over here. So over here, if I were to scroll down, you guys can see that we have so many products over here. We can change all of these product details by just simply coming back over here. And then from over here, just simply clicking on the left side on company's mission, we can change up the company's mission section. If I were to click on store, then we can change the thumbnail aspect ratio, the thumbnail size as well. We can also change up the text alignment. We can change up the product card border. We can also change up the appearance settings as well. And all in all, there are just many options for product list and categories over here that we can just simply use to add in products, or we can choose to remove them. Over here, you can see that we can add or remove contents from the sidebar as well by simply checking or unchecking these boxes, and then we are going to be able to, of course, customize our sidebar as well. And we can have the sidebar be in two columns, or just one column on the right or one column on the left, or basically divided all over the page. There are many options that we can choose from over here. And of course, we can also go into miscellaneous settings, and over here we can choose to have the footer menu, the sign-in link, the breadcrumbs, or not as well. So all in all, these are the customization options that Ecwid gives you. And also one last thing to mention is that you guys can also choose a theme as well, because when you guys are gonna have a theme, then a layout would already have been made and you can just simply use it for yourself. To apply a theme, click on themes over here, and then after that you guys can choose from hundreds and hundreds of themes. So guys, all in all, these are your options, and you guys can definitely take full advantage of Ecwid to get the perfect website made and make style changes. Thank you so much for watching guys. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.